Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the right adjuster housing on your Whirlpool dishwasher. These instructions also apply to other Whirlpool dishwasher brands including KitchenAid, Maytag, Jenn-Air, Amana, and more. The adjuster housing is part of the adjuster assembly, which supports, raises, and lowers the upper dish rack. If the adjuster housing breaks or is damaged, the upper dish rack may not be adequately supported and may not raise or lower properly. If you need to purchase a new adjuster housing for your Whirlpool dishwasher, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Start by opening the dishwasher's door and pulling the upper rack forward. The adjuster housing is located here on the upper rack. To remove, insert a flat-headed screwdriver into the notches on either side of the adjuster cover and pry to release the locking tabs. Then, rotate the bottom of the cover out, pull it down to remove, and grab the housing. If you need to purchase a new right adjuster housing, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your dishwasher to make sure you are getting the correct part. Note that the left and right adjuster housings are designed differently and have different part numbers. When replacing the part, be sure that you are purchasing the correct side. Additionally, if you're replacing both sides, you'll need to purchase both unique parts. To install, insert the adjuster housing at an angle, being sure that the tabs on the bottom seat on the outside of the upper rack. Then, align the lever arm to the slot on the adjuster. While supporting the housing, insert the cover at an angle and press to align the locking tabs. Then, press firmly on the bottom of the cover to snap into place. Finally, slide the rack back into the dishwasher and close the door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.